Hello? Oh, Toby! Yeah, no, I'm getting ready. Yeah, no, I'm just about to walk out the door. Yeah, I'll be there in a minute, I promise. Look, I'm not going to do this again, honestly. Look, I've been waiting for ages. I'm not being funny. You were supposed to be here like 10 minutes ago, and it's like 9:30, and you said you'd come and pick me up. Yeah, well, I'm here by myself, aren't I? I'm not being funny. You said that you would be here at 9:15. I've been stood here waiting for you for like the last 15 minutes. Look, just... No, it's fine. Just call me when you get here, alright?